Do you know that thousands of people lose access to their Gmail accounts every day? If you forget your password or your account gets hacked, a recovery email can help you to get it back. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. Open your Google account setting. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type myaccount.google.com. Then press enter. Make sure you are signed in to Gmail account where you want to add a recovery email. Once your Google account page open, look at the left-hand menu. Click personal information. In this section contains your name, birthday, phone number, and email setting. Scroll to the contact info. Now scroll down until you see a section called contact info. This is where Google keep your email addresses and phone numbers for security. Find recovery email. Under contact info, look for recovery email. If you haven't added one yet, it will say added. If you already have one, it will say edit. Add or edit a recovery email. Now type an email address that you want or that you can always access. For example, a family member email, another personal email you use often. Verify your identity. For security reasons, Google may ask you to enter your Gmail password again. This helps confirm that it's really you making the change. Verify recovery email. After entering the email address, Google will send you a verification code to the email. Open your recovery email inbox, find the message from Google, copy the code, and paste it in verification box. Confirmation. Once the code is verified, your recovery email will be successfully added. You will now see it listed under recovery email in your account setting. Your recovery email help you reset your password, recover your account if it hacked, and receive a security alert about suspicious activity. These small steps can save a lot of trouble for future.